G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today. And what we're going to do is the installation of a water filter, okay, under sink installation. And you'll see we've taken the cupboard doors off today. That's basically so you can get a good view of what's going on in here. And it just makes it a lot easier for me to get in and do the installation. So pretty simple process. Obviously there's 3 stages to installing the water filter. We're going to install the under sink kit, we'll install the water filter itself, and we'll install the faucet, okay? So what we're going to do here, and what you want to do, is get everything out of your cupboard, make sure that it's safe and there's no electrical components and you're not going to get hurt or injured in any way. Then you're going to get in here and have a look and make sure you've got plenty of room to install a water filter, something to screw onto, because you'll have a couple of screws that will go through the top of the housing to hold the filter in place, okay? So what we'll do here first, the first thing that you want to do is cut the water, turn the water off, okay? So pretty easy in this situation here. We've actually got a tap under the sink, so we're going to turn the water off here. If you can't turn the water off here, you've got to go out the front of the home to the water meter and turn it off at the main water supply. Then you'll have no pressure pushing on the house. Then you come back inside, turn on the tap. I would expect a little bit of water to come out, there'll be a bit of pressure, releasing the pressure, and we're all good to go now, all right? So what we would do now is sometimes you can lay a towel under the sink here if you think you're going to have a bit of spillage of water, but apart from that, we're going to undo the chrome flexible hose, and this is the part we're going to install, which is the T-piece, and that will send the water filter to your filter, okay? So simple, normal, 1/2 inch BSP connections. The T-pieces can come in different shapes and sizes, but they're all the T-piece. So we'll just nip in here and undo this chrome flexible hose first. Okay. All right, as you can see, there is going to be some water, so we've left it here for you to see this here today. So I'll definitely put a towel down when you are going to install your T-piece. There's a rubber in the end. The rubber must be inside to have a good seal, okay? The T-piece, the chrome flexible pipe, has also got a rubber inside there as well, and it'll nail up on the male end, all right? So we'll put the female on first, and what we want to do, we're going to mount the water filter over here in this nice clear spot. So when we finish mounting the T-piece, we want the water hose to the filter heading in that direction, just so we've got a nice easy flow for the water. So we'll just simply screw this one on here now. Okay. Like so. Good Australian crescent. Not too tight, you've got rubbers in there, they will seal. Beautiful, okay. Then we'll get our original chrome flexible pipe, and we're going to screw him back onto the top of the T-piece. Once again, we'll just tighten him up, nip him up tight. Okay, that'll do us. Okay, and there we are. The T-piece is now installed. I'll turn the tap off for the T-piece so it's off. And at this point of time, I can actually turn the water back on. So the water's coming back on the sink. And this line is now completely live, full of pressure, full of water, ready to go. And not that I will, but if I lift it up, that little black lever on the T-piece, water will start coming out the end here, okay? That's basically where we're at from there. Then we'll get some hose that we're going to use, cut it to the required length. Just give ourselves plenty of spare there today. we like to use the nice cutter or a very sharp Stanley knife. You want to have a nice square cut on the pipe so you get the best seal inside the T-piece. And then this hose is just going to push in about 1.5 centimetres straight into the T-piece. There we go. Make sure he's in there nice and tight. And then we've got a red locking clip. Now these clips, we do use them. You don't have to have one on there. It will work without it, but the clip does hold the pipe nice and square and it holds it in place much more easier. So you just put that red locking clip inside the collar and that will not come out. That's locked in there, locked, tight, ready to go. If you ever want to take it out, off with the red clip, you have to push this collar in. So the collar's got to be pushed in on the T-piece and that hose will come out. All right, we'll push him back in. If you don't push the collar in, you can pull on that and you just won't get it out. It will not come out unless you break it. So we push on the collar, hold the collar in, hose comes out, or push the hose in and he's in. Okay, on with the red clip, lock him on. Happy days. Okay, that's on there. This will be hose there ready to go. We'll spin that up there when we position the water filter. Okay, and that's how to install the under sink kit.